But for now, I just deal with everything the right fucking way. Looking for new management, new team, new every fucking body. Cause it's fucking trash. Don't make no fucking sense. I don't want a body to come in my life, come linger around my career, and I take my thing for Dalios, cause it's not Dalios. I'm too fucking talented for a Dalios business. I'm not gonna fuck with nobody. So now it's a whole different thing. I'm going to announce new booking info soon. Real fucking soon. I do everything the right fucking way. My lawyers, them very fucking active, and we're going to fucking win, and everything I will go fucking perfect, and everything I will go fucking great, and nothing can stop me right this alright true, because yeah, well God bless. Well God bless. But guys, young artists them out there, I'm telling you, tell the manager for go and do your own thing yourself. You see me I say? They can't do it right now, no rush it, everything have a time. Make nobody have a question your career, man, a question a thing like, oh buckler, maybe me not good, or maybe I just, you understand, everybody has talk about you're not there, so oh this, oh that. Fuck up manager like them with them fuck up relationships and them bridges with them burn and everything come fuck up your thing and fuck up your brand. Like that's not the thing, and that's not what we're going for. Like 2021 is a bigger bag, bigger level, like bigger everything. 2021, new team, new management, new everything. 2021, going all the fucking way up. 2021, and then fuck with nobody. It very fuck up. So right now, but that's on a different thing, as you can see. But that's a good thing in the world. It's not a great really show and tell, but look like I got money for start doing for people's system. I mean fucking business. So I'm gonna start vlog my life.